Hey guys, on this really quick video, I'm going to show you how to download music using your data plan over Spotify. So this is using your data plan, not just via Wi-Fi. So once you guys are in Spotify, on the top right hand side, you guys will see the gear icon. We're going to go into a gear icon. Once you're in settings, just scroll down and we're going to see music quality. That's where we have to change this. So just scroll down a little bit more and here we go. Just turn on download using data. So right now I can turn it off or turn it back on. So right now I turned it back on so you guys can see how it's done. Just tap it away and there you go. You guys get to download any music without using your Wi-Fi. You guys can use your data plan.